Hi there, I'm Ismail from Lemon, and you must be wondering what this document in front of you is. Well, the document in front of you is called an llms.txt. If you run a website in 2026 and you're still thinking about only Google for your SEO or organic traffic, you're already behind because people are no longer searching on just Google or Bing or any other search engines. They are asking questions on ChatGPT, they are asking on Perplexity, they are asking on Gemini. And here's the scary part. AI tools are using your website's content to generate answers, but they are not obligated to send you traffic. Today, I'm going to show you a brand new file you should add to your website called the llms.txt. What it does, why it matters, and how to create one in less than 10 minutes. Let me explain what's happening here. Traditional SEO works like this. Google crawls, Google indexes, Google ranks, user clicks, and you get traffic. But AI works differently. ChatGPT and other AI systems don't just rank pages. They read your content and summarize it directly inside the answer. So instead of, for example, here are 10 blue links, users now get here is the answer, which means they may never visit your website. This is called a zero-click search 2.0. Before Google stole some clicks, now AI can potentially take all of them. So the real question becomes, how do you tell AI systems what they can use, what they should use, and what they should credit? That's where the llms.txt file comes in. What is it really? Think of your robot.txt file. Robot.txt tells search engines you can crawl this page, don't crawl this page. Now imagine the same thing but for AI models. That is llms.txt. It is a simple text file placed in your website root. So for example, it's going to be if your website is example.com, your llms.txt file would be example.com/llms.txt. And it gives instructions specifically for large language models, LLMs, meaning ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Gemini, and future AI crawlers. Instead of controlling indexing, it controls AI usage of your content. You can allow AI training or disallow AI training, allow citations, block certain pages, and direct AI to your important pages. You are basically defining your AI visibility policy. Now, why does this matter? Right now, many websites are unknowingly training AI but not benefiting from it. AI companies scrape massive parts of the web. Your blog posts, guides, tutorials may be inside AI models. And if your site is not structured for AI discovery, AI may still use your content but never mention you. So, llms.txt helps you protect premium content, push AI towards citation-worthy pages, and increase brand mentions in AI answers. And it also allows you to prepare for AI search traffic. And make no mistake, AI search traffic is coming. We are entering an era where ranking number one on Google will not be as powerful as being cited by AI. Now, now that we are done with all the theory, how do we create our llms.txt file? Good news, it's extremely easy. So all you have to do is open your notepad. I just pasted mine on Google Sheets, but usually you want to use your notepad because you want to save it as a .txt file. Then you name it LLMS. Inside it, you write instructions. Here is a very simple example. So just like your robot.txt file, you say user agent and you put the asterisk there. Then you now basically say that you are allowing AI access permission and public educational and service content may be accessed and summarized. But all this is not really that important because it doesn't read the English, it just reads the code. Now you're saying it what pages to allow, and now you are saying here, just like your robot.txt file, what pages it should not allow. So you don't want AI crawling your WP admin page, your checkout page, your cart page, other pages like your privacy policy. Those are not important pages because you want to make the crawl, use the crawl budget efficiently. So now you have to show it your preferred pages. So right here, using Lemon as a sample, you put preferred and you put each of your links there. If you don't have the time to do this by hand, you can just do it with AI. Now, it's a very simple document, as I said. Just like that, you have an AI policy for your website. Now, here's the real SEO strategy most people don't know yet. AI tools prefer clear, authoritative, and structured pages. So don't just add LLMs, also create expert guides, add author bios, use schema markups, and add FAQs to your website. So these are other things that you can add to your website to give it more structured content in each of these pages that you are telling it to crawl. Because AI systems look for confidence and expertise signals. In the near future, SEO won't just mean ranking pages, it will be training AI to recommend you. So, if you manage a website, blog, or agency, add your llms.txt file now. It costs nothing, it takes 10 minutes and prepares you for the next phase of search. Now, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.